Hello, my dear kids. Hope you all are safe at home. In our last session, we discussed about Champaran Satyagraha. Do you all remember that? What are the features of Champaran Satyagraha? Yes, the farmers were in great misery. What was the reason for that? Yes, the British rulers forced the farmers to cultivate indigo plant in their fields. So, the farmers were in great distress. Is there any other features? Yes, financial difficulty. Financial difficulty arise among farmers because the farmers have to pay more taxes to British after each harvest of indigo plant. So there occur a financial difficulty among farmers. Also, there is one more feature. What is that? Yes, peasants were free from misery. The hardship reduced because Gandhiji organized a struggle movement to fight against British rulers. So, the hardship of farmers were reduced. Hardship means great suffering. Due to the struggle movement of Gandhiji, the great suffering of farmers were reduced. So these are the main features of Champaran Satyagraha. Shall we move to our today's session? Today we are going to study the other two Satyagrahas led by Gandhiji. The second Satyagraha is Kheda Satyagraha. Kheda is a district in Gujarat. Like the Champaran, the people lived in Kheda were farmers. They suffered a lot because of the failure of their crops. They neither had sufficient food to eat nor much money to pay huge taxes to the British government because of their crop failure. So Gandhiji organized a struggle movement to support peasants of Kheda. This is called Kheda Satyagraha. This Satyagraha was also a great successful one. As the result of the Satyagraha, British government cancelled huge taxes and it was a great relief to the farmers of Kheda. Did you understand about the Kheda Satyagraha? Shall we move on to the third one? What was the third Satyagraha led by Gandhiji? Yes, Ahmedabad textile mill strike. Ahmedabad is a district in Gujarat. In Ahmedabad, there arose a clash between the workers and the mill owners of a cotton textile mill. The reason for that was the mill owners did not provide enough wages to the workers. Wages means a fixed payment given for work. Sometimes it may be paid on daily or monthly. So, the mill owners did not provide enough wages, that is, enough payment to the workers. So, Gandhiji advised the workers to go strike and to demand 35% of increase in wages. This struggle movement is called Ahmedabad Textile Mill Strike. This movement was also a successful one. So that's all about Ahmedabad Textile Mill Strike. So students, now you know about the three Satyagrahas: Champaran Satyagraha, Kheda Satyagraha and Ahmedabad Textile Mill Strike. That's all for today. Thank you.